Hey crew, we're here at the CMP Talladega Marksmanship Park. Gonna be checking out some stuff with the 2021 Shooting Sports Showcase, so let's go. What's up crew, it's Chris with CloverTac here at the Shooting Sports Showcase. Gonna talk a little bit about Sol Invictus arms. Before we do, if you're new to the channel here on CloverTac, we talk about all things firearm related. If you're into that sort of thing, jump down, smash that subscribe button below. If you want to keep up to date on all the new content, well, go ahead, click that notification bell as well. Surprised I ran into you guys. You fell off the map. It's been, what, SHOT Show 2019, I think?
That's right, yeah, we've been MIA a little bit. So we've been working on something like this and trying to stay, stay relevant now. That's why we're showing off our new products.
Yeah, and yeah, tell us a little bit about this one. It's interesting to me, man. I've got an Invictus Tac.
Okay, yeah.
Tac-9, right? So,
yep.
I see this, and it's like it's like it had a baby with a AR or something.
That's right,
it's
yeah,
weird.
Pretty much. So this is essentially what we call our Tac-9, the Sol Invictus Arms Tac-9. It's a tubular, upper receiver with a basically a billet aluminum lower receiver that accepts Glock magazines. We made it very modular, use a lot of the aftermarket parts and accessories that are available for the AR-15 platform, including the fire control group, safety selector, trigger pack, everything inside. Of course, using Glock magazines, everybody has those. People want 9mm little sub guns. All manufactured in our facility right down in Melbourne, Florida. It's on the Space Coast of Florida. So a US made, little tubular, kind of cool little compact weapons platform, basically. All of them are going to ship basically with a M4 buffer tube threaded cap in the back here. Then of course we include a Picatinny rail adapter. So if a customer's wanted to go ahead and install a side folding brace or anything like that, or if they wanted to put an actual more traditional buffer tube on the rear, this platform gives them that opportunity. So Picatinny rail across the front, AR-15 clamp-on style handguards are compatible with it as well. So we try to offer something that's a little bit modular, very comfortable for folks.
So there we go, a little look at the Tac-9 from Sol Invictus. Want to thank everybody out there for watching. Thanks for hanging out, and
don't forget to chain fire freedom.
That's right.